Now that's how you use a fire steel, your ferro rod and striker. That char cloth and really get that going as tinder as you can see. Put some more tinder on top of that and you got your little fire started. You get a little tin like this, put a little hole in it, and then just get some different cloth material. This is cotton, and you can use blue jean material, things like that. Put it in your little tin like this and close it up. So you want to make a fire and then put that tin with your char cloth in the fire and let the fire char that up and make that cloth all burnt up, and it'll be an excellent fire starter. So we'll go ahead and get this fire going. Put our tin directly in the fire for a while. So it's charring really well. You just keep it in the fire and let that keep burning to get that cloth inside good and charred. So let's go ahead and take the tin out. We're going to take this and just let it cool, and then we'll open it up and see how that material looks. Alright, let's open this up and take a look at how this char cloth turns out. That's just kind of how you want it. Just like that. See there? There's your char cloth. Take some cotton rounds and put some petroleum jelly in between the two pieces. Make it like a little sandwich. Fluff the top of it up a little bit. Take your fire steel, and there you go. You've got a fire starter. And that should burn long enough that you can put your little logs on top, your tinder, whatnot, and get you something going. There you are. You can carry those with you when you go camping. Yep, see that? It burns for quite a while with that petroleum jelly sandwiched in between two of them. There you go. That'll burn for quite a while. And here's a little cotton sandwich with petroleum jelly or Vaseline in between two pieces of a cotton round. And we're going to place that right in under this tinder here. Just like this. Right up in there. I got a little wren up here who has a nest and doesn't like me and my kitty down here messing around. Now, I also got one of these fire starters. So it's got lighter fluid inside of it. You unscrew this little top. and it's got a little striker on the end. You use that and you strike it against, there we go. So let's light that. Put that back in there. It's kind of a handy little thing to have. So that cotton will stay lit with that petroleum jelly on it, or that Vaseline. So if you get some extra fine steel wool, break some off, shred it up, and make a little bird's nest out of it, and take your 9-volt battery. You can actually get enough flame from doing this to get you a fire started off some other tinder. Build your sticks and wood around it, and there you go. You've got your fire. So here's 2 different fire steels that you can get. This one here I got from Walmart. It works for me just great. Been using it for a long time. You can scrape magnesium off on this side right here for your fire starter, and then you can just use this side for your spark. I don't ever scrape this really. I don't use the magnesium because I always have some good tinder that is a lot quicker and more effective. But then I got this one here, and this one is pretty well. It's got a much better spark. As you can see, it really throws spark well. So it's a lot more expensive though, but I've been getting by with this one just fine too. So there you are. So this is my Bushcraft fire starting bag that I take with me when I go out in the woods, camping, stuff like that. It's got these hooks. You can hook it onto your backpack or carry it however. But what I got in here, just whatever I might need for starting, you know, my fires. So it's pretty cool. In here, I've got this kind of fire starter. If y'all got a Menards store, that's where I got this stuff from. It's really flammable and good for starting a fire. And carry one of these just to play it safe. Start a fire with that. Of course, here's my char cloth that we've talked about. Got an extra lighter just in case, you never know. Better be safe than sorry. Then I got my fire steels. I've got, this tin has got the sandwich petroleum jelly or Vaseline in the cotton rounds. Great for starting fires. Knife. So that's pretty much it. I add to it, you know. But I carry this with me when I want to start my fires. That's pretty much all I need. So that's just an idea.